Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Beijing. For continued comfort and safety, please remain in your seats with your seatbelts fastened and carry on baggage all properly stowed until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign. So, with the termination of our flight, as you disembark from the aircraft today, please be sure to take all of your personal belongings with you. Do take caution opening overhead bins. Some articles inside may have shifted during this flight. All passengers will be required to clear customs and immigration formalities here in Beijing. Please be sure to have all proper documentation available to one of the inspectors once you've reached the customs hall. Those passengers requiring assistance that are needing extra time to deplane are asked to please remain seated until the majority of passengers have vacated the aircraft. Once the aisles are free, we'll be in a better position at that time to provide assistance to you. Those passengers with connecting flights out of Beijing, please check with one of our sales agents or consult television screens inside of the terminal for your next gate and departure information. On behalf of the captain, first officers, and your in-flight crew, I'd like to thank you for choosing Air Canada on board our flight number 29 from Vancouver. Certainly do appreciate your business and look forward to being of service to you again on one of our flights to one of our Star Alliance partners in the very near future. It is Canada Day here in Beijing, July 1st, and it is presently 5 minutes past 2 o'clock. We do hope you enjoy the balance of your day here, or wherever your fun destination may take you. We thank you once again for flying with Air Canada.